start with the fire on the right, which is an unsprinkled room. I need to go where I can see. Better hang on. So, Captain Mackenzie's going to try to light a fire in that waste basket from behind it anyway. In fact, as soon as I see the fire, I'm going to stop this. Okay, we have fire in the basket. And I cleared my top one. There it goes. Just going up the curtain. And I hear a smoke alarm already. So the smoke alarm went off almost immediately. Now the fire is going to go up those curtains and probably move to the couch and chair. And this is what happens. This is simply some paper in a wastebasket. Can you all see okay? So the fire is moving up. Now look at the smoke. So we put this plastic across the front so you can see what happens in a typical room. See the smoke accumulating up high? The temperature is rising up high too. If you stood up in that smoke, it starts to get up towards 1,000 degrees up there. And that smoke is very black. That's because we're burning the upholstery on the couch. And that upholstery burns and produces a lot of fuel in the form of really dark smoke. So as this fire gets warmer, all the contents in the room will start warming up, and they'll come to their place where they're actually at their ignition temperature, and we'll see things burning in the room where fire is not touching them. And we'll see, if you watch closely, you'll see the smoke burn. The smoke actually is a fuel, and when the temperature gets to a certain point, the fuel will actually start burning in the smoke. And that's what we call flashover. And flashover, no one can live in flashover. Firefighters or people in the house. You could not be in that room right now. You would not be able to survive even on the floor in that room. So that's a minute and 30 seconds into the fire, and you couldn't be in that room now. Now that black, thick smoke the coach is making and the little chair is making is going to catch fire pretty quick. That is very bad smoke. So we should see a little fire in the smoke shortly, and when that happens, the plastic will drop on the front, I suspect, because that won't be able to handle it. There we go. See the fire up high? That fire is actually smoke burning. So now when the plastic comes crashing down, which should be in, there you go. Now we have complete room combustion and flashover. If I could ask Captain Mackenzie to help us put this fire out.
What was the time, Ian? Ian, how long? How long?
Oh, that's 2 minutes. That was 2 minutes till we had flashover in there. That's very fast. So they're going to cool the fire down by putting water into the hot area of the fire where it makes steam, and the steam will put the fire out. So this is how we fight fire in your home. We don't put a lot of water on. We don't need to. We let the steam do the job. And so mostly now the fire is stopped. There still might be a little bit of fire in the couch and down low. This is what we call fire stop. Steam is putting fire out for us. We still have a little fire now reigniting on the back wall, but most of the fire is out. So you see how fast that was? We had the smoke alarm going pretty quickly within a few seconds of the fire beginning. That was very nice. But within about a minute to a minute and a half, it was not a place you could be. And so when you hear that smoke alarm, you need to make your way out of the house as quick as you can. And that smoke is so coming off these furnishings in our homes is so laden with oil of like petroleum products that it in fact is fuel. And so it reignites and causes the bulk of the fire in the home now is the smoke-free burning.